Good morning students. Today I want to explain electric potential due to a point charge from the chapter electrostatic potential, and also I need to explain electric potential energy. At first, that statement, the amount of work done to bring a unit test positive charge from infinite distance into an electric field is called electric potential, denoted by V. Therefore, electric potential V is equal W by Q naught. Q naught is the unit test positive charge and W is equal work done on the unit test positive charge. So units are joule per coulomb, or SI units for potential, that is volt. Now the derivation. So here derivation. At first, plus Q is the unit positive charge which is located at point O, and point A is the separated from distance x from the point O. Now our aim is the unit positive charge, which is Q naught, will be bringing from infinity distance into an electric field. So here an electric field point, that is P, whenever we have to bring the unit charge, that is Q naught, into the infinity distance, then we reach the point A. So this is the field of the point charge plus Q. So whenever we have to take the Q naught charge from infinity distance to the point A, then some force will be acting on it. That force is nothing but from the Coulomb's inverse square law. Whenever Q and Q naught, two charges are separated in a small distance, then there will be a force acting on that. That is F. F is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught by x square. Now our aim is the point which is nothing but located in a electric field, the Q naught charge will be bringing into that point. So that is the distance located from small r distance. The infinity distance Q naught charge will be bringing into the small r distance point. So that is our aim. So now here we have to work done against to the electric field. Because of the against field, the electric field will be acting in this direction. We have to come in this direction. So these two are opposite direction. That's why we have to do against to the electric field. So here, to bring the point charge Q naught to point P, A to B, so then we have to partition the distance from A to B. The small displacement will be occurs, that was dx. So then the work done to bring the point charge from A to B is nothing but work done, W is equal F into dx. So F into S replacing by F into dx, that is negative sign of F, because of here the work done should be against to the force acting on the charge. So here dW work should be done. Now we have to integrate the limitations infinity to r, then we can get the total work done. So the work done on the unit test charge, that should be given as electric potential. So write down. So this is the capital W. So here minus of integral f dx infinity to r, so it is equal, F is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught infinity to r, it is here Q naught, 1 by x square dx. So here it is minus of Q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught integral of infinity to r x power inverse 2 x minus 2 dx. So here the formula, integration formula, it is integral of x power n dx, it is equal x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x to the power minus 2 dx, it will be x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1, it is equal x power minus 1 by minus 1, it is equal minus 1 by x. Therefore integral of x power minus 2 dx is gives us the minus 1 by x, that is it is minus Q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught, it is equal minus 1 by x infinity to r. So minus minus in it is equal plus q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught. The limits will be applying 1 by r minus 1 by infinity, upper limit minus lower limit. So it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by r, since 1 by infinity is equal 0. Therefore we can written w is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by r, where the work done on the unit positive charge which is bringing from the infinitive distance, that is q naught will become this side. So w by q naught is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. So this w by q naught is nothing but electric potential. V is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. So this is the electric potential due to a point charge. Electric potential energy. So here the total amount of work done to bring the unit test positive charge into an electric field against to the force acting on the charge. So that total work done should be in the stored in the form of electric potential energy. That was work done W, it is equal V Q naught, that from the definition. So then we can write W is equal V reference 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r into q naught, and it can be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by r. So this is the electric potential energy between the two charges. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఈ వీడియో లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.